Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture we are going to learn a very important topic in C programming, that is what is an array in C. So don't worry if you are a beginner. By the end of this lecture you will understand what an array is, why arrays are needed, how to declare an array, how to store values in an array and how to access array elements with simple examples in simple words. So without any delay, let's get started. So first we're gonna see what is an array is. Suppose your teacher asked you to store a five students marks. Suppose let the marks be. So these are the marks of the five students. So without using arrays, we would create five different variables. Suppose let the variable one is m1. M1 means mark one. So first student marks is 80 and second one is 75 and m3 equal to 90. So like that this works. But what if there are 100 students? We will create 100 variables? No, that is very difficult and confusing. So we use an array. So let me write the definition for array. So an array is a collection of similar data elements stored in a single variable. So an array is a collection of similar data stored in a single variable. So this is the simple definition for an array. So let me give a real life example. Suppose imagine a row of lockers in a school. Each locker has a number. Suppose locker 0, locker 1, and so on locker 4. So each locker stores one item. An array would works in same way. Each position stores one value. So let me declare the array. Suppose the syntax for array is, let me write syntax for array. So it should be first the data type and the array name and in brackets it should be written with size. So let me give an example. Suppose int marks, let me the marks 5, the semicolon. So let us understand it. So int is data type, as you know, int is a data type and marks is array name and this 5 is array size. So this means marks can store 5 integer values. So storing values in array, for example, in this array, it will be stored like this. Let me write. So these are the marks of the five students. The array index is start with 0 and ends with 4. Because it has 5 elements, the array will start from 0 to n minus 1 as n equal to 5. So that's why n minus 1 equal to 4. That's why it ends up with 4. So the index of array means these positions are called index. These 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called indexes. So these indexes are used to declare the position of an element in an array. So these are the definition, the index positions. So let's see about accessing an element in an array. To get an value from an array, the simple definition, let me write the statement. So we need to write printf. So printf percentile d, and we need to declare with index. Suppose I want marks 0. So the output will be what the output will be 80. Suppose if I have given instead of 0, if I have given 1. So if I have given 1 means it gonna returns the output as 75. So like that we can access the array by using this printf function. So how can we initialize array? So initializing array means first we need to declare with data type and we need to declare array name. Suppose the array is a and the size is 5 and it should be done with these flower brackets and we need to write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So the array should be initialized like this. So this is called array initialization. It is shorter and easier. So let me write a complete program for this array. So this is the C code for our declaration of an array. So first line is a header file and second line is a main function, and we have declared the array in our main function and we have created a for loop. So int I equal to 0, the I will be increment until this statement gets false. So we have declared printf percentile d. This hashtag, this slash and helps us to give new line. So we have declared, so this will be our output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us see advantages of an array. So why do programmers use arrays? So the advantage one is less code. It needs less code. When you observe carefully, this code has taken less memory. If I used to declare every element, it takes lot of time and lot of space. So this is the main advantage of array. Instead of many variables, one array is enough. So the second advantage is easy to manage data. All related values stay together and it is faster processing. So computers can handle large amount of data efficiency. So it is useful for algorithms. Most programming problems uses arrays. So let me tell the important points to remember. Array stores similar data. And suppose you have declared int and you have declared something, you have declared float value. So it throws error. So the second important, the array always should start with 0. So array is always started from 0 and array size is fixed. So this is the mean. Suppose you have declared 5 and you have declared 6 and 7 elements. So it also throws error. This should be fixed size. I have declared 5. So I have declared only 5 elements, 5 similar elements. So we should be careful when you are declaring an array. So this is the basic definition of array. I hope this video is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.